So now we're going to take a look at fast foiling and then factoring. So suppose I have binomials x plus 4 times x minus 3. Well, foiling, we know that it's x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 12, which reduces to x squared plus x minus 12. However, it would be much easier if I had noticed earlier that the x and the x are going to give me the x squared. 4 plus negative 3 is going to make positive 1, which is going to be my middle term, and 4 times negative 3 is going to be my end term, negative 12. So that if I have something, again, similar to that, a plus 6 times a minus 7, I know that I have an a squared. 6 plus negative 7 is negative 1a, and 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. Yet again, v minus 3 times v plus 8. v times v gives me v squared. Negative 3 plus 8 gives me 5v. Negative 3 times 8 gives me negative 24. Now, why is that useful? If I notice the middle term is just these two numbers added together, and the last term is these two numbers multiplied together, then I can actually go in reverse. So for example, if I have the expression x squared minus 6x minus 16, I know that it's going to be x and x. And now I'm looking for two numbers that add to equal negative 6 and multiply to equal negative 16. Well, it's probably easiest if I list my factors of 16. 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. And since it's negative 16, one of the numbers would have to be positive and one would have to be negative. So positive 2 and negative 8 will add to negative 6. Positive 2 and negative 8 will multiply to negative 16. So I can write x plus 2, x minus 8, or I could even write x minus 8 times x plus 2. So trying that again, x squared minus 3x minus 70. So I'm looking for two numbers that add to negative 3 and multiply to negative 70. So I know it's going to be x and x. And in this case, it's going to be negative 10 and positive 7, because they add to negative 3 and they multiply to negative 70. One more time. V squared minus 10v plus 25. I need two numbers that add to negative 10 and multiply to 25. V minus 5 and v minus 5, or I could even write v minus 5 squared.